Some people may call a moment like this boring. I kind of consider it pure. And peaceful. And kind of a better way to live than running around in some busy-ass city, screaming into the void on the internet, and basically just being stressed out about every little friggin' thing in the world. I don't know what this is all about. I'm kind of just musing here. I think what's important are the people in your life, or rather is the people are the people in your life, and even the people who may not be with you every day, every minute, but who you hold in your heart every day and every minute. Like my kids, my grandkids, and my cousins, my family. I don't know, it's just me thinking out loud.